Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth here in Brighton. EPH have released a new version of their CP4 wireless programmable stat, and in this video we'll take a quick look at the thermostat and the changes they've made. We've also got a few other real quick videos in this playlist if you just want to know how to use your new thermostat and don't care what they've changed. But this is an overview of the new model. Okay, first of all, it's pretty clear that not too much has changed. It's still a wireless programmable stat. It can still be wall mounted or put on a coffee table with the stand provided. It's still open therm compatible. It's still got varying programming options along with the auto, manual and off modes, allowing you to choose how you control your radiators. Now remember, in the auto mode, this thermostat is never really off. It's only got temperatures assigned to times. So if you really want your stat off, make sure you set that temperature low enough. More on that in the programming video. And there's the prog button, which allows you to set the automatic times for your heating to come on and off. Although remember, it's not off. There's the time, boost and OK buttons and the plus and the minus buttons. Oh, but the OK button isn't a nice big red button anymore. I liked it red. Bit sad about that. You can still change and restrict the high and low temperatures the thermostat can operate to. Helpful when kids are around always pressing up. You can still partially or fully lock the thermostat, and you can still change the hysteresis. They have, however, removed the holiday and copy buttons from the user panel. Both of these functions are still available and can be found in the installer menu. For more on that, watch the installer menu video. So it's still a great piece of kit, which is simple to use and very competitively priced, but nothing really groundbreaking here, just a few tweaks and a fresher look. Well, that's it guys. As I said, don't forget to check out the other videos covering things such as how to program your V2 and how to access and navigate the installer menu. But thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on any other homeowner help and engineer tip and trick videos we upload. See you soon. Bye.